This is Dave Michaels at Talking Points. I'm at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona in the Infobip booth with CEO and founder Silvio Kutic.
Kutic.
All right.
Yes.
All right. CEO and founder. I understand Infobip started, and let me make sure I got this right, the city of Banyan?
Yes, that's right.
How do you go from Banyan to Barcelona?
Yes, we flew through Venezia, we've been
Okay.
going to that. But yeah, we started Infobip 2006 in Vanjan. Vanjan is a very, very small town in Croatia. It's on the coast side. 3,000 inhabitants in between of the olive trees, vineyards, and technology with Infobip today. It started there like 19 years ago.
Yeah.
But today we are we have our campus there, and we have about 300 employees out of the 3,500 employees all around the world. But what is also very interesting...
Is that still headquarters today?
Yes, this is our headquarters. Our largest office is in Zagreb, which is the capital of Croatia, more than 1,000 employees there. But we have 78 offices all around the world,
wow.
So we are like UN,
Yeah, like the UN. So big week here. I've been talking to some of the team and getting a lot of momentum, both Infobip and things like RCS are getting a lot of momentum.
Yeah.
What are some of your key takeaways?
Yeah, I mean, Barcelona is always very interesting because everybody likes to launch new things, but also the whole community, mobile community is here. So we had lots of very productive meetings with all the key players, from the industry, from the carriers, the hyperscalers, technological players, and our competitors also, and customers. And for Infobip, I would say our three main topics here at the event is for sure RCS, as you mentioned, and this is getting new momentum with Google, Apple on board, and all the carriers, etc.
Yep.
Network APIs also gaining momentum with all the new partnerships. And, Aduna,
yep.
Right? And but everyone is also very excited. Still, there is way to go. It's a new, innovative product, and the ecosystem needs to put in place many of the stuff there. And I would say, paired with that also conversational AI, agentic AI and things like that. Rich communication and conversational AI. So this is the main topics on that side.
Now, as an entrepreneur yourself, you obviously know something about being innovative and building a company. Do you want to share any advice to entrepreneurs out there and how they could be more innovative?
Yes, I mean, I can share how we've been doing it in Infobip, and I think this could be applied generally. Technology are different, culture in companies and in small teams are different, but I think for being innovative, you have to fail a lot. You need just to continue.
Fail fast?
Fail fast, but to continue your direction, have the idea where you're moving, in which direction. And this is innovation, is a lot of hard work. A team which are really have I would say, psychological safety, believing one to each other, trust is critical here. And moving in quick iterative processes with a very quick customer feedback loop and course correcting. So let's say when we started, the company started in 2006.
Yep.
But I started this in 2001, and I'm a co-founder together with our CTO. There are two of us, and then later also Roberto joined as a CEO. And so for the first 5 years, because the company was founded in 2006, we failed in everything what we did. So we failed in each project, but we've been successful in one. So failing is a critical, logical part. So don't be afraid of failure. Failure is learning.
Do you think coming from Croatia or from Europe has been a benefit or a liability?
I mean, everything has its positive and negative parts. I would say coming from Croatia, it was very unusual, especially 2006 for a tech company. So we are also the first Croatian unicorn, And but I would say that was very positive for us. Croatia is a small market, that we needed to go like very international from day one, and today we are like everywhere. We're 78 offices.
I've met so many of
yeah.
your staff, and they're from all over the world. It's
Yes,
amazing.
right.
Yeah.
So we are employed today about 70 nationalities in the company. And but let's say raising capital, visibility, it's like much better US, for example. So it's like a balance of the things. But you can do today in tech especially a very successful company anywhere in the world. And this is the beauty of how knowledge, can impact everyone's lives for better in any part of the world.
I imagine some companies actually want to work with you because you're not an American company.
I don't know, but like we have a very good culture in the company, and people like other customers, partners really enjoy working with us. So it's very important, the culture that we are building in the company. How are we behaving? How are we respecting each other? And this is like translated into then, like the customers, partners on the, let's say, the whole market, and like they really enjoy working in Infobip
right.
because of that.
Well, let me be first to wish you happy 20th anniversary. I'm a year ahead, but
Right.
I'll be the first to wish
Thank you.
that. And congratulations on a great Mobile World Congress.
Thank you.
Thank you.